no words. We don't need no that damn ass spit. 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 We don't need no words, man. I cut that damn ass spit. That damn ass spit. We don't need no words, man. I cut that damn ass spit. Everybody till my bust the beat. We don't need no words, man. I cut that damn ass spit.
Report to the dance floor, the bad girls and man whores. There's a feeling in the club, and it's going airborne. Phil Collins, my whole life I've been waiting. For this moment I can't waste it. I'm lovesick, stricken by your love. It's really hard to function, like a rush of adrenaline, beauty, intelligence, overflowing with melanin. I'm lovesick, stricken by your love. It's really hard to function. No quick way to phrase it when I explain it. I say I'm caught in the jungle, feeling the fever. Black on white like Dalmatian features. Black on white like stripe on a zebra. I'm just trying to keep up. Black and white like old day programming. Black and white like Soul Train slow dancing. Black and white like MJ in the 90s. Mulatto, light skin, mixed breed, hybrid. Mama, you just too damn fine for my good. If you wanna leave right now, then I would. Maybe wanna go all night if I could, and I could. Mama, you just too damn fine for my good. If you wanna leave right now, then I would. Maybe wanna go all night if I could, and I could. Ooh, hey, watch out now. That sun-kissed skin make it hot out now. All class, ain't never been a dropout now. Slim, thick, them lips wanna pop out now. Like, ooh, hey, you go, girl. That shea butter popping like Crisco, girl. That Tresemme making them big old curls, and you working them pumps like sicko, girl. I'm lovesick, stricken by your love. It's really hard to function, like a rush of adrenaline, beauty, intelligence, overflowing with melanin. I'm lovesick, stricken by your love. It's really hard to function. No quick way to phrase it when I explain it.
Tell me, baby.
Ooh, mama, you just too damn fine. Elegance on 10, you a true damn dime. Bad girl, that pum pum too damn fine. That Uchi, wale ooh la la. Yeah, white boy caught under black girl magic. Credit outstanding. So even if he looking like B-Rad, but he be rapping like B-Rabbit, she gon' be throwing it back for the keys to a G-Wagon.
weed.